Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to wire house wiring connection diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Switch, light 1, light 2, light 3, 2A switch 1, 2A switch 2. Phase connection input to switch. Phase connection from switch to 2A switch 1 common terminal. Output connection from switch 1 L1 terminal to light 1. Phase connection from switch 1 L2 terminal to switch 2 common terminal. Output connection from switch 2 L1 terminal to light 2. Output connection from switch 2 L2 terminal to light 3. Neutral connection connected to light 3, light 2 and light 1. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.